Yeah, hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to start a new playlist on Python. If you are beginner or student who wants to start programming from scratch in Python, then this playlist is perfect for you. So there we need to learn Python. So Python is no longer just a coding language. It is a power tool for almost every industry. The language of AI and future tech automation, friendly, and high career demands. The Python is the foundation of ChatGPT, Gemini, generative AI. If you want to build AI agents or automate smart tasks, Python is the only way. If you want to automate like the boring stuff, renaming 1000 files in a second, scraping data from the website, or sending personalized emails to 500 clients, so there is only way we can do with the Python. So Python developers remain some of the highest paid professionals with the role in data science, cybersecurity, and web development. So what is the Python? So Python is high level interpreted general purpose programming language that is designed to be a simple, readable, and easy to learn. It allows programmers to write clear and logical code for a small as well as large applications. Why the name Python? It is inspired by the BBC comedy show Monty Python's Flying Circus. So Python is developed by the Guido van Rossum in 1989 and officially released in 1991. And the philosophy of the Python, the code should be easy to read and easy to write. Why we need to learn? So because the Python is friendly syntax, versatile across domains, massive ecosystems of libraries, high demand in the job market, community support, cross-platform compatibility. So Python is not depends on the specific systems. This one's compatible for all the systems like Windows, Mac OS, Linux. Where the Python is used? The Python is used in web development, data science analysis, machine learning and AI, game development, desktop applications, cybersecurity, automation, data science, data visualization, statics, calculations, or analysis. In machine learning, face recognition, recommendation system, chatbot, and cybersecurity, ethical hacking, penetration testing. The feature of the Python, simple and easy to learn. Python syntax is very close to English, easy to learn, easy for the beginners. There is no complex syntax. The interpreted language code is executed line by line, so no need to compile before the running. High level language, no need to manage memory manually. Portability, if you are write a code if you are writing Python code in Windows, that could also runs on the Linux, Mac OS. There is no dependency on the platforms. Large standard libraries, built-in modules for the file handling, math, data and timing, networking. Python can be integrated with the C++, Java. Uh, we can use Python inside the other applications also. There is no restriction. Thank you for watching. We will meet next video. Thank you.